Yes, I will comply completely to the letter of the law, but please let me, if you could, officer friendly, before you take me in. I'd like to explain in as much detail the condition in which we find myself at this time. I am delivering these two packages. This one here from the Easter Bunny to the Bird of Prayer. And the other one here is from the Bird of Prayer to the Easter Bunny. It's a quid pro quo, It's a Latin transaction, basically, from the right hemisphere to the left hemisphere. No, I can't divulge the destination at this time, mostly because I haven't, that is, I'm not privy to that information as yet. I've been instructed to travel south by southwest, and until I'm further instructed, I will stay on that path. It's a very difficult journey. You've heard of a guilt trip? Well, it's something similar. Not really, but there's psychology involved in it. It's the sins of the father and the sins of the mother. It's the journey back to the ancestor, to the journey back to talk to your DNA. It's to alter your DNA by being in conversation with it. He was a farmer. He worked hard physically from dawn to dusk every day. After supper, he'd relax and start drinking. Eventually, he'd just pass out in the chair in front of the TV. Sometimes he'd stand up to go to the bathroom, but instead he'd go behind the TV and he'd have to, Dad, wake up, you need to wake up, you're not. I was the oldest of 6 kids, so I was in charge, even though I was only 11 years old. I mean, they'd go out to drink and I would watch the kids. They were my little kids, so, you know, when they came home at night, we were asleep upstairs, but we'd be awakened by them arguing downstairs. We'd go over to the little guy's bed, because he'd always start crying, and we'd go over to comfort him and, you know, comfort ourselves too. Eventually they would stop yelling at each other and go to bed. And it would be over and we'd go back to sleep. But one night Dad brought us downstairs, all 6 of us, and he had us stand next to our mother. He picked up the shotgun and he started crying. I'm sorry, Nicky, I have to do this. You understand? We'll all be better in heaven together. We'll all be better there. I can't go on anymore. Not with your mother, the way she is. And then my little brother Steve said, "That's okay, Dad, we love you." You probably got one of those Messiah complexes like I had. Only difference between you and me was that I had me a dozen little yellow chicks in a carton instead of a dozen eggs. I remember back then I was called the Chicken Man. Hell would have had a freeze over before they could get me to part with my chicks. I love my little chicks. And I was God determined I was going to deliver them. But then it happened. One of my own little 12 chicks shit all over me. I couldn't believe it. One of my own little chicks shitting on me like that. I was heartbroken, you can imagine. Well, I knew right then that if he could shit on me, me who had taught him all about love and caring, he could shit on anyone. So I swallowed him whole, feathers and all. I was trying to save whatever good there was in that little shit-ass chick. I swallowed him whole, good and bad, virtue and vice, and made them all one again inside me. That's how I got my new handle. From that time on, I was known as the Bird of Prayer. I left my other little chicks where they were, set off all alone. I realized it wasn't for me to deliver them home anymore. That would be something they would have to do themselves, if they ever got a mind to do it. They have to make their own winding road, grow up into a chicken man like I was, and set out delivering their own damn selves home, if they could. Sometimes I wonder how they made out. Now, let me tell you something, Easter Bunny. Them eggs ain't no good to you anymore. You can take my word on it. It'd be a miracle, an act of God, if at least one of those eggs didn't go bad on you, exposed to the elements as they were. Drinking in the devil's den, drinking in the devil's den, going out around the bend, drinking in the devil's den. High as a kite, full of fright, drinking in the devil's den, drinking in the devil's den. Round down my train, whiskey out around my brain, round down train. Out around my brain, pissing my life away, running from the pain, drinking in the devil's den, drinking in the devil's den. No pain, no gain.